Stop wasting time searching for the right words. Today I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to work faster, think clearer, and boost your productivity in any office task. ChatGPT is more than a chatbot. It's a writing assistant, a research tool, and a problem solver built into one platform. Let's start with the basics. To get useful results, you need to write a clear and structured prompt. This is the secret to unlocking the full power of ChatGPT. Here is an example of a perfect prompt for an everyday PC user. Right, give me a verified list of the greatest American football players in history and explain why each of them is considered one of the best. This simple structure already makes your request better. Clear topic, clear goal, and clear output format. Now let me show you what makes this prompt effective. First, it's specific. You are not asking for random information. You are asking for a verified list within a defined topic. Second, it sets expectations. You want both the names and the explanations. That tells ChatGPT exactly what format you need. Third, it avoids ambiguity. When your prompt is focused, your result becomes accurate and easy to use. Here is the rule. Better prompt, better answer. Every time. You can apply the same structure to any office task, reports, research summaries, email drafts, presentation scripts. ChatGPT handles all of this if your prompt is clear. If you want to upgrade your productivity, start every prompt with what you need, why you need it, and how the answer should look. That's how you turn ChatGPT into a real working instrument, not just a toy. If this video helped you understand how to use ChatGPT more effectively, like this video and subscribe for more clear practical tutorials.